Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix high ping in League of Legends. Alright, let's begin. This method works not only for League of Legends, but also for improving your internet connection in general. First, open the control panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, and click on Ethernet. Then, go to Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, and click on Properties again. Next, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 in the first box and 8.8.4.4 in the second. Click OK, and it will apply automatically. Another method is to open Network and Internet Settings, go to Change Adapter Options, and disable your network driver. Wait a few seconds, then enable it again. So that's basically how you can fix high ping in League of Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!